So we've had a lot of fantastic feedback so far about the SuperTurf and a lot of questions. So what I wanted to do is just quickly answer a few of those for you now. So a popular question is, why don't you have the brush at the rear of the machine? So a simple answer, because of the high tip speed of the blades, whatever we're cutting, we're going to be throwing behind the machine, which will basically give a massive build-up of the brush, and then whatever we do cut, the brush then will start clumping the grass. So very similar to the first question, why don't we have all of the implements behind the mower? Simply, the answer is A, it's weight, but also we're going to get a lot more benefits of having the implements in front of the mowing deck. So the rake, as an example, this will be building up a lot of organic matter, and that will just be left behind. But if it's in front of the mower, it will get churned up and it will get nicely even distributed at the back of the mower. And the same applies for a spiker. Whilst you might think the roller is going to be closing the gaps of the spiker, actually it has a lot of benefits, because you're opening up the ground and you're also slightly rolling it, but you're leaving the holes that you've just slitted slightly open, which allows it to breathe, and it also allows the water to drain. Another question that we get frequently asked is, can we use all the implements on the machine at the same time? Unfortunately, the answer is no, but actually there is no benefit of using all the implements at the same time. We've got a chart throughout the year of what implement will give you the best results. Can we retrofit the SuperTurf system onto the CRX 180 DR? Absolutely. In the future, we'll be able to retrofit the SuperTurf system onto your existing CRX 180 DR. So the recommended horsepower size for the SuperTurf is 35. We have seen it on a 25 horsepower tractor. It's basically the weight is more of the issue. So the deck itself will run on a 20 horsepower tractor, but we recommend 35 just to get the weight balance. Can the SuperTurf be used on different sports surfaces? Absolutely. It doesn't have to be football, be cricket, golf, rugby, whatever the sport is, you can use the SuperTurf. Can you use the SuperTurf in the winter? Absolutely. This is what it's designed for. You can disengage the mowing deck if you need to. I would recommend just to keep it going. Whatever you're raking in front is going to give you a nice even distribution of the cut out the rear. The brush on whatever you're doing, the spiker, keep it engaged or disengage it, but you can use it every month of the year. So these are just a couple of questions that we've been asked so far. So if you would like some more information or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us today, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.